And after being released from jail, anti-corruption crusader Anna Hazare's anti-corruption fast, which has captivated India, enters the second day at Ramleela Maidan in the capital. With millions of Indians for the past few days on the streets pledging support for Anna Hazare's movement, the corruption crusader has said that he won't budge from the Ramleela and is not opposed to jail bharo till the government changes its stance on the Lokpal bill. We have Jaguri and Tavleen joining us live from the Ramleela Maidan. Jaguri, tell us the situation at Ramleela.
Well, the atmosphere is electrifying. Tavleen is here. She'll give you a sense of what's really happening. Tavleen, do we see more and more people coming in as time goes by?
Absolutely. More and more people are trickling in. We came here at about 6 o'clock in the morning, and we are seeing how the crowds are swelling. You can see all of them in groups sitting and chanting slogans. They're singing, waiting for Anna Hazare to come up on center stage to address the media and to come and to talk to everyone who's been supporting him and coming here daily, coming here since yesterday and also supporting him for the last couple of days since that whole drama unfolded. In about some time from now, we will finally be seeing Anna Hazare right behind us, the stage that is set right now. Jaguri, if you can tell us about his health and all the other people, the team Anna that you've been speaking to, and what is the update there?
Right, we did speak to Arvind Kejriwal this morning. He said that Anna Hazare's health is perfectly fine. His exact words for Anna Hazare is in perfect shape. So good news for all his thousands of supporters who have been watching and have been concerned about his health. Remember, this is the 5th day of his fast. He began it at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. Also, a team of 4 doctors are examining his medical conditions. The word from them is everything is fine. His vitals are working fine. We are also expecting a medical bulletin in some time. Also, a team of 36 doctors are monitoring Anna Hazare's health round the clock. What we've been told, even last night they tried to examine him, but Anna Hazare had gone off to sleep. But the positive word here is that, Tavleen, that doctors have examined him and he is in perfect shape. So very soon we would be seeing Anna Hazare coming onto that stage. If Manoj could show us the preparations that are going on. We saw in the morning people cleared out the area, the stage was cleaned, and very soon we will be seeing Anna Hazare come here. Members of Team Anna, Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal are with him. They came here early this morning. Very soon Kiran Bedi and Prashant Bhushan are also likely to join them. So the word from Ramleela ground is a lot of enthusiasm. People are in an upbeat mood. And Tavleen, if you could tell us, what are the different colors and sides that you are really seeing here?
See, if Manoj can show, what is happening behind us. A lot of groups of people from all walks of life, whether they're children, old, elderly people, women are also expected in some time from now. Homemakers would be here. Children who are, because it's a Saturday, so we expect a huge amount of people assembling here, for Anna Hazare and his whole team. If you can see behind me, there are a lot of people, there are a lot of old men who are sitting here, dancing here, enjoying the music. There was a lot of music that was playing here. But just in about 5 to 10 minutes, we are expecting the whole team Anna Hazare, as well as Arvind Kejriwal, as Jaguri was telling us, to come here, to take stage here, address the public who has been waiting here, who has been, in support of Anna Hazare and his whole fight to end corruption.